country how they flow the environment we're in. See environment we're in. Let me show you something. Check the trees. All these are tobacco.
What is it?
Tobacco.
Tobacco, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Those are popcorn.
What's going on with them all being burnt at the bottom?
Burn at the bottom. Oh, you have to kill the tree to make the bean peas. Take it, you can't leave it green. You kill the tree for the fire.
So when you fire, this is dead now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these don't go around. You don't spread it up, and there you call this bean peas. And those are okra.
So if the tree was alive, there would be no peas. These would not
And then of
happen
so good. No,
if this was live.
with this live, we not run from it.
Alright, okay. So you burn the trees to kill them for your plants.
Before you, and then you plant it, then you soon take it. These soon take it there.
So you
Yeah.
burn them and then wait a little while till they die.
Yeah, they
and
still
then
grow
plant.
back, you know. So they start grow back now.
Oh, the tree?
The trees,
This,
still
huh?
the root, yeah.
Mm.
They're not really dead, but you go
Kind of
plant
slowed it down.
You go slow it down
Yeah.
and make it spread up on this. Next one when you come here, you see how that little piece there where you see around the vine here? You pull up this. And you pick here bean, you go up there.
Oh, they come up.
Yeah, they're
Oh, they use it as like a
right,
support.
support for them.
Okay.
And just pure bean.
So you plant them purposely by the tree so they do that.
The tree is active, you know.
Oh, that's a cool hut.
Yeah, there is coming in now. You hear the rolling?
Mm-mm.
You don't hear it yet?
Mm-mm. What am I hearing?
It's like you're hearing rain falling. Like a sea. They are coming in now.
The bees are coming in.
Right, and carrying in the pollen now.
So they went out for like lunch.
Like from morning and
Yeah.
coming in back.
So they're not even home yet.
Now then just start coming now. Because the flow is on now, you know. So they just start coming in now. You have to watch Domo. Domo is what you see how much are coming? That's why you see here the rolling. Boom. See this full of honey.
Full of honey.
Yeah. It's too rough.
So you do the honey here?
Yeah, you have the extract of these. These are them water. Nothing ever put in there yet. And next week,
Yeah, should I just not move when
you have
bees are
to
around?
throw there's something in there. Right? Purify the water, make them keep on. But now through the flow on. Then soon suck out that thing. Yo, then soon suck out that thing. Here is an interested hive.
A what?
This one
Distressed?
is an interested hive. You breed queen from this box.
This is the special one.
Yeah, I know everyone you breed queen
Oh, oh, you breed the queen from this box.
from this box and put it right there. Because you see that one fasting going there, he's gonna make honey one that there. You see how much workers coming in from it and going out. That's how it goes. You see one thing though, These are the trays we're putting there.
Okay, the trays that go in the boxes.
Yeah, we're going to box.
And then they just honeycomb the whole.
Now you have a foundation. We're putting in there,
The bottom.
inside. If I was up yard there, I'll show you one of the foundation there.
Okay.
Yeah, we go walk back through there, which is something else. This one now.
Is the second. That's one. That
Yeah,
and this is two.
This up here in Pitney.
A Pitney queen.
Yeah. See him make the honey. Him breed the queen. See this breed the queen? Like on one of the trading is tongue waist around there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we take you up care out to the front. That's when you come for the queen, for the box. You take up here at the front, you don't have to make we lift up the front so far go over there. You understand?
Yeah.
You know. This have enough honey.
That's full up.
That's full up. You right now you as strong as you can lift up that box here. No?
Really? Because it's so heavy with honey.
We can.
Oh man.
Yes, no man.
How do you? When are you gonna take it out?
Then it's supposed to take out from now until next month.
You take it out. Someone else. Next
Yeah.
month, huh?
You have the extra time.
So isn't it gonna be like too full to?
Alright, you want me to tell you something?
Mhm.
This is one of the
One of those boxes, yeah.
bet you don't tell me how much gallon of honey you want.
Gallons.
Reckon
4.
4 gallon?
No.
You have 8 gallon in one of them. Top.
8
One
gallons.
of them top. Different. This here is a different box from this. You can't easily lift off this one. Just
Oh, I see. One's
Yeah.
on top of the other. So
Mhm.
make one. It's like two that make
You
one.
call the top one is super. Man.
The top one is called what?
It's super.
The super.
You call the bottom the chambers.
The chamber is the
That
bottom.
sits down where the queen is.
Oh, the queen is at the bottom.
All the while. It's super. Is it make the honey. The bottom box is the chambers where the queen is.
Okay, so they produce the honey up top.
Up the top.
Then it must fall down, right?
But the queen up to always down by the bottom. If you make the queen come up here,
Yeah.
you're not going to get no honey up there. They're larva. They're young.
How do you know the queen isn't up there?
Oh, you get him to stay up different.
How do you keep them from staying down? Or you just don't?
You use excluder. When you can pass through the excluder, but the workers pass through it.
Oh, you put something in the box.
Yeah, I already made something. Man.
Oh, you made it?
No,
Oh,
you have to
it's
buy
just
it.
every,
You
all.
have to buy them.
Oh, okay.
So you got a lot of excluder. It fit between where the tray then put on.
hmm
It fit right between here.
So the trays are a little lower, and then the extruder
Right.
is right on
And
top.
then it's right there. And then the workers pass through this. But you see this
But the-
one now.
So why can't the queen go through the extruder? It just doesn't?
No, because the queen is larger than these.
Oh, so there's holes just big enough.
If I open the box now and show you a queen, you know, a queen is longer than each one we see passing there. A queen have 19 different colors,
Wow.
psychological colors. You see in this little while now, and two you not see him again. And in the right in your hand there.
You're saying each queen is different.
No, each box have only one queen.
Okay.
Only one. Whenever time two queens come in the box, you get it like the turbo. This one now, he might aggressive.
Aggressive.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Why is that? Are there two queens in there?
No, you can't have two queens.
See this one. This the him we do attraction. If you don't know where we there and talking now, we have to run up there. These bite you up.
Mm.
Why is that? How do you get them?
Oh, you get
aggressive
them to
and
do that?
calm? Yeah.
Why is that place different than here? They like it better here.
I don't
Who knows?
really like to tell you about that part, baby.
Yeah? Okay.
Hey, let's
All
go
right,
check
yeah,
out
right.
the barn.
Here what? You see this B-side now? You can watch your yard like a dog.
Oh, he's a watchdog for the mellow bees.
Him will bite up, man, as you come
Is there only one aggressive box here?
share them the ball.
Oh, three.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're watchdogs. Watch
and,
bees.
Yo! Bro! Where you there? Then we hear him attack you like a German shepherd.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, if you set him the right way, he can do it. Me make him do it already. Make policeman shoot gun like a board and you don't know who him a shoot off. You did, yeah, man.
You suck the.
Then you
suck
can't
the
take gun and shoot off a board. If you don't want me to
You,
stay,
you sick
no,
the
not
bees
me
on
not
the
going
top.
to eat, no, you know. But if we stay here now and stay do this, I tell you there though.
No, don't call
Yeah.
him. out. Come on.
If you do like this and slap you one slap like Colin, slap the machine back to his neck.
Yeah.
Everybody have to run. Up to me.
Let's not do that. Oh, you too, huh?
Yeah, man, you know how on the grill. When we have on the grill, we can do
Check out. You're talking about barn and cool structures, dude. You've got the coolest structure ever. Like, did your dad make this?
I mean, make everything easy. This is a noon. No, it's good for you.
Tuna.
Tuna.
You said you like rust, dude. Look at it.
I see.
This is history and this is priceless. This is art.
Here is the next one.
Not the next one.
This one. This is the concrete, you know. That's where they drink water. But it's certain bees come here. So the one we sit down there, him not coming here.
The water one. Some drink from that water, some drink from this water.
And the one we drink down at that water can't come in this jump and come.